Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by proving you have admin rights. Without them, removal will fail. Once signed in, make a quick system restore point or export related registry keys to be safe. Now open Settings, then Apps and choose Installed Apps, or, if you prefer, launch Control Panel programs and features. This gets you to the list where Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables appear. Make sure to note version numbers and architectures, like x86 versus x64, before you remove anything. You'll now remove each redistributable one at a time. This prevents breaking apps that need a specific version. Select a Visual C++ entry, click Uninstall, and follow the built-in prompts, accept UAC and wait for completion. Once done, confirm the entry disappears, then proceed to the next version and architecture. If multiple programs still reference a version, make a note before removing. If manual uninstallers fail, you can use a reputable removal tool, but run it as administrator and read prompts carefully. After uninstalling, reboot your machine to finalize DLL unregistering and file cleanup. Then launch your usual applications to verify nothing broke. If a program complains about missing runtime files, reinstall the specific Microsoft Visual C++ version it requests. Make sure to delete stray folders in program files and clear %temp% if safe. If something goes wrong, restore the system point you made earlier or re-import registry backups. This quickly returns the system to the pre-uninstall state and resolves most compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.